In today's video, I'm going to show you Peach Slice's smoothing solution review. Does this roll-on really fix ingrown hairs? 2026. According to official product descriptions, it uses a blend of exfoliating acids like AHA, BHA, and PHA, along with soothing botanicals such as cactus extract, niacinamide, and cica to help clear clogged pores, calm redness, and leave skin smoother and softer without a greasy feel, and comes in a fast-absorbing, non-sticky formula that's safe for sensitive areas like underarms or bikini lines. Independent user feedback from online beauty communities reflects a generally positive but realistic picture. Many people report that it does seem effective at reducing bumps and irritation when used consistently, and that the roller applicator makes it easy to apply after shaving or showering without mess. Some compare its effect to simpler toners or acid exfoliants they've used before, noting that it does help prevent ingrowns and soothe skin as well as keeping texture smoother over time. Other reviews from global online retailers show strong star ratings and comments that it calms irritation, reduces ingrown hairs, and absorbs quickly, though not everyone experiences dramatic results instantly. In short, Peach Slice's smoothing solution does seem to help many users manage ingrown hairs and post-shave irritation, especially compared with doing nothing or using a basic toner, but it isn't a guaranteed overnight cure-all. Consistent use over time usually brings smoother, calmer skin, while experiences vary by skin type and routine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.